Hi, in this part we are going to see how to write code for model selection and GPU availability. First we will look for whether GPU is available so that CUDA will run top of it. So if CUDA is available, then we will use GPU, otherwise we will load the training on the CPU. So once by finding the whether the system consists of GPU or CPU by using the torch, CUDA, we will change the device. Now we will see how to write a code for our desired model in Pytorch. Lot of models can be used in our Pytorch like AlexNet, VGG, ResNet, SqueezeNet, DenseNet, Inception v3, GoogleNet, ShuffleNet v2, MobileNet v2, ResNext, Wide ResNet and more. For our project we are going to use the ResNet 50, which would highly beneficial with its accuracy. We want to return the pre-trained model, so we are using the true condition. So far we checked whether GPU is available or not and then selected the ResNet model for our project. Feel free to choose your desired model based on your project and then stay tuned by subscribing.